No, whoa, 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 whoa.
Okay,
Don't touch. Don't touch it, Gabe.
I'm just trying to scalp it, man. Come on.
We're not scalpers. We're here to help.
Oh, okay. What are we building?
All right. Hello, everybody. Cyber Samurai here. Today we're building two PCs. This PC is for a streamer named Lavendurrr. I will get the spelling for it because it is spelled different than a normal lavender.
There are people on the internet.
People on the internet. And also the link to her channel will be down in the description below as well. This is a PC that has been a little bit in the works, got a little bit more customization stuff that we got to do to it, but pretty much everything's here. The best part is we managed to get a 3070. Cue heaven music. Back.
Okay.
Back.
Right.
Anyways, today's build is a Intel build. It is strictly high performance build. It can stream as well, but she wanted something super nice, super quality, and overall her money's worth of what she wanted. So, with that being said, we have a Z490 ASRock Extreme motherboard paired with a 10850K. I said that right. 10850K, Intel's second best processor right now.
Yeah.
Between the i900 or 1000K.
Like the sixth best processor in the world right now.
So it's a great processor. Definitely going to be able to do anything she needs or wants, gaming-wise and streaming-wise. So there's that. We have very special, the blingity bling bling, 3200. Yeah, 3200 megahertz of Trident Z Royal.
Man, this is just Trident Z Royal that's meant to be Trident Z Royal.
It is the bling.
Yeah.
You know.
It's meant to look nice.
Girls gotta have their bling, you know what I'm saying? So, got some bling for her. And the case we chose is the nzxt 510 Elite. So, and then with the cooling solution, we got the Mystic MSI liquid cooler. I used this one in a few builds ago, and
yeah, this is the one with the pump that's in the radiator.
And in the pumps in the radiator. It's actually a really unique design, and I think it's pretty cool. I think it's revolutionary, to be honest, because you don't have to worry about.
Yeah, everyone will be like, oh, you don't have to worry about the aerating.
Hey.
You got to worry about taking up 10% of your radiator space.
People, man, I swear. I tested that theory, you know, because I have the Cougar Helios, and I filled mine up to the brim. I haven't had an issue in about 2 years of any kind of fluid loss of anything, and my pumps are up at the top. So,
whatever. Let's move on.
Move on.
Let it go.
Let it go, Nolan. So that's the cooling solution we're going to go with. It's going to cool the 10850K perfectly fine. And power supply, we have the good tried and true Corsair 750 CX750M fully modular PSU. This will be able to handle any kind of anything that it needs to be thrown at it, unless she wants a 3090 fully overclocked to like 10 gigahertz. It's not going to do that. But anyways, that's what we got, and that's what we're working with today. For this PC build, Gabe, what are your thoughts on the components selected for today's build? I know you're not very an Intel guy, but
I believe it is excellent.
Cue Wayne's World stuff.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Excellent. We're gonna be really pushing them frames, especially in 1080 with all the gigahertz that this thing can push out.
To be honest, it's mostly gonna be an Xbox streaming PC. For the Series X, so
PCMer would be so disappointed.
They would be so disappointed. But she does want to venture into some PC games, and this will be able to handle literally anything she wants to do.
It's hard sometimes, man. Going from a controller to a mouse, like some people just don't.
I think people mostly have the problem with finding games to play because PC has very quirky games that console doesn't have, and it's very, very different because that's the troubles that I have. I can't find a game that I like to play on PC because I can play it on my console.
Yeah, and you just pick up a controller. And
I can just pick up my controller and go, and I don't get blue screens of death or anything like that when, you know, something happens. So, it's very, you know, it's user-friendly.
You never got a red ring of death?
I totally have. Let's not speak about that.
Bring
flashbacks to 2013.
I think it's going to work very well. Yeah, and the stream is Cyber Samurai.
Cyber Samurai. 5 eyes. Hopefully
And
changing it soon.
This is from Main Gaming.
Yeah. Sponsored by, not sponsored by Main Gaming, but put on by Main Gaming. And all the links for the website, Twitch, everything.
This is a team effort.
This is a team effort.
And make sure to subscribe.
Make sure to like, subscribe, guys. Guys, this will be a dual PC stream. We got 2 PC builds to do. We got Liddy, yeah, no, Storm. We got the beautiful Lavendurrr's PC that we will be building right now. This is, I think she had a PC beforehand, but it wasn't good enough to stream, and I think she got rid of it. Definitely an upgrade for her. And then we also have the amazing Alannaprz PC. Anyways, let's unbox this motherboard. It's like a briefcase, you know what I'm saying? Like. Anyways, you want to see this fancy dancy motherboard? This motherboard is so fancy. Check this motherboard out. It's colored. And it's zip tied to the freaking thing.
Well, they really don't want that going anywhere.
They don't want that thing going anywhere. People often get scared when handling a motherboard as well. So when they handle a motherboard, they're like, oh my god, it's gonna break, something's gonna happen. These things are really, really resilient, and they hold up pretty well to some abusive damage. I mean, obviously if you're smacking it and hitting it and everything like that, you know, you're gonna cause some damage and stuff. But most of the time, it's not too bad. Right now, we're just doing some custom peels. You wanna get some peelies? They always put it in a weird spot. Hey. All right. It's almost there. There we go. Ooh, and it's got the sound. Oh yeah. Very nice, very nice. Man, this RAM is, I don't even know, man. Like, this stuff is just like bizarre. It's crazy. Insane. Shiny, shiny diamonds on my neck. What you'll do is you'll take the RAM, find the notch, right? And you want to match it up with the notch on the motherboard, right? Like so. You want to make sure you take both your fingers, thumbs, and press down on both sides. Be careful with the G-Skill RAM because it's kind of like pointy. So you want to just push down until you hear the clicks, and then it's in. Let's get some more ramage in here. I'm kind of jealous of this RAM though. Like, this stuff's hotter than Post Malone's freaking necklace that he wears. Holy shnikes. Oh god, it's so scary. It's so scary. It's not really that scary, guys. You want to get some close-up of that?
That's pretty good.
Enzyme says Gabe's are hot. Whatever that means.
He's right.
Let's go. Respect it. Boop.
It's so cute.
Boop. All right. All right, anyways, another thing to point out, it's really hard to install an Intel chip wrong. Intel's made fancy little thingies that, you know, notches, that makes you install it the right way. So, Intel, for whatever reason, has notches. Usually they're on the top, but the Z490s are on the bottom.
Yep, still Coffee Lake. I don't care what they say.
Weird. When doing Intel, you just, you know, take the thing, and then you move it down until it pops off. Boop! And then boom, it's installed. Bam! So let's prep the case. If anybody knows, Wait, don't forget we got proprietary connectors now. Correct me if I'm wrong. Use 1 6-pin, so it would be 1 6-pin, right?
You can use a full 8-pin.
Or that's what I meant, yeah. Full 8-pin.
It's gonna look so good.
I know she's here. She's got to be here. We can test something out for you if you like. We can get some lavender leaves or flowers and print them on the glass. And she's like, nah, we good. She said, nope.
Man, that really matches the motherboard.
It does. She doesn't want anything on the glass. I mean, we can turn it on. Well, the motherboard's on.
That's amazing. That is a lot of light. Alright, RAM, show us the money. That RAM is something else.
It's so beautiful. Alright guys, so Alanna's build is an AMD build. I love AMD. AMD's. So if you don't know what AMD is, AMD and Intel are the two main computer processors manufacturers out there. I was looking for that word. Alright, so Alanna, your entire RAM actually lights up. Like all of it.
All
So
of it.
it's gonna look pretty sick, honestly.
Is that a matte white type finish?
To the casing, yeah, it looks a little matte white. Remember, guys, don't forget to follow everybody on Main Gaming: Stento, Scrounge, Alanna, Richter, Dame, Signs. It feels so good to say that again. Follow my teammate, Signs. I don't have anything yet, Alanna, out here because I'm on a different PC. I don't have a bot or anything, so forgive me.
You're not forgiven.
Your PC is 4 times better than Alanna's, Lavendurrr.
Yeah, it'll still murder this poor thing. I mean, this one's very power efficient.
This one's a great PC, but yours is like top of the line. Yeah, yeah. Yours is like out there, Lavendurrr. Give me Twitch login, I can do it now. This is a Ryzen 7 3700X. It's kind of like what your build's gonna be, Sense. Come on, phone. There you go, Jimmy. I don't send, no, I send them, most of the time, I send people the cutouts of the stuff that they have. Like the serial numbers and everything. Got the RAM skis in, got the processor in. Let's get to cracking the case open, guys. Alanna is obsessed with blue, so this PC is gonna be a blue theme. Get that preset, guys. Don't say, Chief, you're a master, at least in my heart. Emre, are you gonna have to buy a new capture card? Probably, Lavendurrr. I'm gonna send you a link to one that will probably work in your favor. And it's not one that goes in your PC, because currently Elgato is the only one that'll pass through 120 hertz or whatever, is this one. And this one has to be mounted in the PC. So I'm gonna send you a link to one that's kind of like yours now, but it's just a different brand. It's a great capture card, it's affordable, and it's easy to use. You don't have to worry about anything crazy, you know. It's user-friendly. You don't have to worry about taking your PC apart, inserting it, you know what I'm saying. The one you have will work. It's gonna work.
Somebody say insert it.
Insert it. The one you have is gonna work. It'll work, but if you're trying to go past 120 hertz, it's not going to work. You can 100% stream 1080p 60 or 1440p if you get the HD60S Plus. It'll all work. But if you only have the HD60S, you can only do 1080p 60.
Oof. That's perfectly fine if you're streaming from a Nintendo Switch.
Well, a lot of people, they get the monitors, like the 1440p monitors, and they'll play in like 2K or whatever on their Xbox. But if they're streaming, they can't with an HD60S because it only allows 1080p. Well, it only allows 1080p pass-through at 60 hertz.
Yeah.
They make a HD60S Plus, which is 4K pass-through, but only 60 hertz. That way your monitor can stay at 1440p, but your stream is captured at 1080.
Yeah.
This one can capture 240 hertz at 4K. So up to it's the only one that they have, but it's only PCI slotted. The other ones are external. It would have taken me all weekend. And this is just a streaming PC, Vike. It's nothing. She's literally using this to play her Xbox.
Ooh, when you could combine two of them together.
Mm-hmm.
If they knew how to set it to us.
They knew. I can set. I'll teach you how to set it up to where we can use the graphics card into the capture card as well. You would just have to change or get a splitter, or I can walk you through that and we can set it up for you. That way, because the capture card, you can just run it to the back of the graphics card. You can run to the capture card, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's got an HDMI, so you could do that. Look at that. This little capture card. This little thing right here. It's a cute little booger. Bam. Just like that, we got a streaming PC, boys and girls.
With a ton of cores.
With a ton of cores, right?
More cores for more. Never mind.
So with Alana, with this, if you ever wanted to upgrade your graphics card or anything, all you'd have to do is take this one out, slap a new one in it, and update the drivers. That's all you would have to do. If that's something you wanted to, you know, if you felt like you wanted to save a little bit of money, get a better graphics card, this, all you have to do to get more frames is change your graphics card, because the processor in this is a great processor. It's an awesome, amazing processor. There we go.
Ooh, wow, that actually looks really cool.
Yes.
To the AMD. We are very happy to present Alannaprz and Lavendurrr's.
Lavendurr's PC.
Two friends with two enemy CPUs.
We got an Intel and we got an AMD. Fight.
All right, guys. You know, check them out in the
description. Links will be in the description. They'll both be having streams. It's gonna be super exciting, and I can't wait to show them what they're missing out on.
PC. I need a fan blower.
I need a fan. So.
All right, guys. You know, like, comment, subscribe. We have a really crazy build coming up. We're not sure when, but it's coming up.
It's coming up.
So
also, be sure to check out the wrap spot.
Yep.
The wrap spot. We can provide custom logos on the side of your glass panels, your acrylic panels, for your computer cases, whatever logos you want, whatever logo you need, words, whatever it may be, we can do it for you.
We have the technology.
We have the technology. So if you're looking for something custom, something that spices up your PC and it gives you a little bit of flavor, and something that personalizes your PC, hit us up. We can do it for you.
There'll be a video link right over here
above my head.
That is to a video specifically devoted to printing on the inside or outside of your PC tempered glass. So, you know, go check that out. Have a great day, guys.
Peace.